What's up everyone, this is Tech Brick, and today we're going to put in this Apple Macbook in the microwave. We're going to put it in for 30 seconds into 1 minute. We're going to see what happens. So, let's get started. Alright, so we have the MacBook right here. It does have a few cracks and a little ding up here on the right, and that's just from the drop test. It does turn on, but it doesn't work. It just becomes a white screen. And that was after a week or so after dropping it. If you guys missed that video, it's going to be linked in the top right up there. And I dropped this from 3 and 5 feet on the side and face forward with it open. Pretty cool video, but we're gonna see what happens when you put this in the microwave. First, we're gonna put 3 seconds. Some videos out there that it charges it. So since we can't read the screen, we're up to about 80% right there. Get a little closer just so you can see it. So it's missing 1 bar. We're gonna put this in for 3 seconds. We're gonna see if it charges it. So let's close this. Pop this open. There's a little burnt in there from last time. Hopefully this fits. I put in 3 seconds. Alright, open it. A little hot on the backside. And it completely fried it now. Or turned off because the battery meter isn't working. And it doesn't power on. So it completely just killed it within 3 seconds of it being in the microwave. A little surprised because my iPhone 6 survived at least, I would say, 7 seconds or so in the microwave. But we're gonna put this in for 30 seconds now. We're gonna see what happens. Alright, we're gonna check it out now. See if anything happened. I'm sure it's pretty hot. It's not too hot, but I'm still gonna use the glove just in case. Take it out. See if there's any damage. Now you can tell the screen, most of it looks fine. There is a little melting going on right there in the middle, but not too much besides that. Just a little warm. I'm gonna do it with it a little open this time and put it in for a minute and see what happens. Alright, we're going to check it out. Now it is smoking quite a bit. Let's see how this looks. It smells pretty awful. Take it out though. Still not too hot, but still going to use the glove for this. So on the outside, not too much damage. So I'll be right back because I had to go get a second glove. A little too hot to handle. So it is frying a little bit more until it's melting up here. So it is fried a little bit more up here, melted a little bit more. See if we can just snap this off. Alright, maybe this will start a fire. Still connected. We'll put this in for one last time for 60 seconds and see what happens. Alright, looks like our food is done. Let's open it up and check out the apple. Alright, so same thing, doesn't look as if too much has happened. We're going to take it out now. Yeah, that looks about to be same as before, a little burnt on the corner, a little overdone, but besides that, still looks like it's, for the most part, same shape besides bending it. So up top, actually, it is burning. The display is coming apart now. Tell there's separate colors. There's this yellow and green going around. It's real hot. I can feel it through the gloves, how hot it is. But it doesn't look that bad. I thought it would be in a lot worse shape. My iPhone 6 turned out to be a lot worse. If you guys haven't seen that video, it's going to be linked in the top right. Right there. That one actually started on fire. Looks pretty cool. I wish this one could have started on fire, but unfortunately it didn't happen. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. See you guys in the next one. This is Tech Break, signing off. Peace.